Understanding number systems, natural numbers, and integers. Ever wonder how numbers shape our world? From counting to calculating, numbers form the backbone of our daily lives. Let's dive into two fundamental concepts: natural numbers and integers. Natural numbers are the first step into the world of mathematics. These are the numbers we use for counting: 1, 2, 3, and so on. They're infinite and play a crucial role in basic arithmetic, helping us quantify and compare objects and ideas in a straightforward manner. Unlike natural numbers, integers include zero and negative numbers: -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This set is essential for balancing equations and understanding concepts like debt or temperature changes, where merely counting isn't enough. While natural numbers start at 1, integers expand the number line in both directions. Natural numbers are a subset of integers. This distinction equips us to tackle more complex mathematical problems, laying a groundwork for algebra and beyond. In real life, integers help in diverse areas like computing, finance, and science. From coding algorithms to tracking gains and losses, understanding integers enables problem-solving in almost every field. Real-world calculations often rely on both number sets for accuracy and efficiency. Unlock the power of numbers by delving deeper into natural numbers and integers. Your mathematical journey doesn't stop here. Join us for more tutorials and exercises to solidify your skills. Subscribe for updates, share your thoughts, and let's make math an exciting adventure together.